Hey everybody, it's Dr. Mac. Today I am in Crosse, Wisconsin. I'm actually just on the Minnesota side. Behind me here is the I-90 bridge. I always like talking about transportation because movement is one of the big 5 themes of geography. Think about how important the Mississippi River is that we see here. It's very important for moving up and down the river, but it's a barrier to people who want to go across it. So having a multi-million-dollar bridge is critically important for people on either side of the bridge. Probably in years past, before this, we had a ferry here. After all, that's what you have, La Crosse, French for the crossing. So Mississippi River here going down to New Orleans, and the way you are able to transport massive amounts of goods is through a lock and dam system. This is not going to be producing hydropower the way we have dams on the Columbia River. This is merely for backing up the water, stabilizing it so we don't have much current, and getting it deep enough so that we can have barges running through there. And of course, it's also going to be dug out and have a dredged channel. On the left side here, you can see a couple yellow dots there. That's where a barge is going to come through. They're going to close a gate behind it. They're going to open up a gate in front of it. Water's going to come down from above. Your barge is going to rise, and then your barge can go upstream. A barge coming downstream is going to come into that same place. They're going to close the gates behind it. They're going to allow water to drain out. Your tow, which is a single barge, your whole tow is multiple barges plus the pushing power system, and then it's going to sink and it's going to go on downstream here. We're moving grain, we're moving energy, coal, gas, petroleum products. We're moving some bulk goods like gravel, sand, these big heavy things. That's what we move a lot on the river. It takes a lot of pressure off of railroads and off of trucking, and that way we don't ruin our roads. All right, some transportation. Thanks everybody.